Here's your map from curiosity to change. In minutes, we'll race through 22 Amazon machines that real beginners use to turn weekend hours into steady cash. Up front, you'll glimpse our surprise winner, a tiny tool that outperforms pricier rigs. Along the way, you'll feel the stakes, spot your fit, and leave with clear next steps: what to buy, how to use it, and why it pays. Number 1. xTool F1 Ultra 20-watt fiber and diode dual laser engraver. A portable dual laser engraver built for speed, precision, and versatility. The fiber plus diode combo lets you mark metals, carve wood and acrylic, and tackle fast batch work with crisp detail. An enclosed safety design with filtration and emergency stop helps you run in small studios. It's ideal for custom gifts, branding plates, name tags, and serialized parts. Exactly the kind of niche jobs that scale from weekend orders to steady small business income with repeat clients. Number 2. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. A 15x15 auto heat press that handles pressure and timing for you. Load, tap, and let the machine auto-adjust to material thickness for consistent results across tees, totes, and hoodies. Rapid heating and uniform temperature help reduce reprints, while safety features like auto-off fit home studios. For beginners and small shops, it brings near-pro consistency without the learning curve, so you can fulfill small batches faster, add rush orders confidently, and keep margins healthy on every print run. Number 3. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. 2. An upgraded auto press designed for bulkier blanks and layered designs. Higher heating height and adjustable pressure mean you can handle thicker garments, sweatshirts, and multi-layer transfers with even coverage. Smart presets keep workflows simple for staff, while faster warm-up accelerates multi-item runs. If you're scaling from hobby to small business, this is the reliable workhorse that keeps colors vibrant, edges clean, and customer turnaround tight. Ideal for school merch, event apparel, and local brand drops. Number 4. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator Machine. A stainless steel dehydrator built for even, consistent drying across fruits, herbs, jerky, and pet treats. Rear-mounted airflow and digital time temperature control reduce rotating and guesswork, while included mesh and leather sheets expand what you can make. Dishwasher-safe trays simplify cleanup after big batches. Perfect for cottage food sellers and farmers market stalls, it helps you standardize recipes, maintain texture, and package shelf-stable snacks customers love, expanding your product line without adding complicated equipment or steep learning curves. Number 5. Vtsmax Automatic Cup Sealing Machine. Engineered for busy drink counters, this automatic sealer keeps cups centered and seals with even heat and pressure. Support for standard cup sizes and films simplifies sourcing, while the intuitive control panel makes training new staff quick. Smooth, repeatable operation cuts waste from missed seals and improves presentation for delivery apps. Whether you're a pop-up or a growing cafe, it's a dependable way to speed orders, look professional, and keep lids secured from counter to customer. Number 6. FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine. An affordable CNC platform with an all-metal frame and upgraded Z-axis rails for cleaner detail and less chatter. Compatible with common spindles and routers, it handles wood, MDF, plastics, and light aluminum with steady motion control. Partial pre-assembly gets you carving quickly, while safety touches like an emergency stop add confidence. If you're launching custom signs, inlays, trays, or small furniture accents, this machine bridges the gap between hobby carving and paid commissions. Number 7. Folio 360. A compact app-controlled turntable that syncs with your phone for smooth 360-degree product spins. Adjustable rotation speed and shooting markers help you capture consistent frames for interactive listings and social reels. Pair it with a light box to reduce shadows and automate batch content. For sellers of jewelry, collectibles, beauty, or gadgets. It's a small investment that dramatically upgrades presentation, helping customers see details clearly, boosting engagement, and reducing hesitation before checkout. Number 8. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Meet the all-in-one steam cleaner that shifts your side business from messy to clean edge. The Dupray Neat delivers up to 50 minutes of high-pressure steam per fill, perfect for deep cleaning upholstery, tiles, car interiors, and event gear. With 17 tools included, you can service rental gear, kiosk setups, or mobile detailing clients without harsh chemicals. For small business owners, it's a service upsell machine. On-site cleaning, rapid turnaround, and cleaner gear equal repeat bookings. Number 9. QOMOLANGMA. 55 inches, full auto wide format laminator. This industrial-style roll-to-roll laminator handles up to 55-inch widths with auto feed, heat assist top roller, and full automation for banners, vehicle wraps, and signage. It promises no wrinkles or silvering, delivering high-quality finished graphics fast. For a print shop or a high-volume e-commerce business selling large displays, This machine turns a hobby printer into a wide-format business in one upgrade. Number 10. KIMTEM. A 03 Pro Manual Liquid Paste Filling Machine. Precision starts here. This benchtop filler supports 5 to 50 milliliters per shot, is built in 304 stainless steel, has adjustable gearing, and a drip-proof nozzle for clean output. Use it for small batch cosmetics, sauces, handmade inks, or niche consumables. It's ideal for micro brands packaging products in-house, control flow, quality, and margin without outsourcing. The ability to batch fill accurately means faster customer fulfillment and higher profit per unit. Number 11. Moonshan 4-nozzle automatic liquid filling machine line. 4 independent pumps, an adjustable belt conveyor, and compact design mean this automatic filler is your step into light assembly. Compatible with liquids like coffee syrup, lotion, or chemicals, it automates multiple fills per minute. For small producers moving from one-man batches to 10+ units per hour, this gadget bridges craft mode and production mode, scaling your business without big overhead. Number 12. BLOONSY Balloon Stuffer Machine Kit. Create eye-catching balloon walls and photo ops with this 17-inch stuffer machine, and included air pump and expander tool. It's perfect for party planners, event decorators, or rental vendors offering custom displays. The kit lets you pack balloons with powder confetti or smaller balloons for surprise effect. Stand out in the event space by offering wow installations at premium price. This machine makes high-value decor accessible and repeatable. Number 13. PYD Life 2-in-1. Dual 40-ounce tumbler heat press. Dual station tumbler press built for 40-ounce cups. One flat, one tapered. It ensures full wrap coverage, firmer adhesion, and consistent heat across the blank. Perfect for gift shops, online merch, or booth events offering customized tumblers. Your setup becomes mobile and fast, and because you press 2 types of cups without switching machines, you boost throughput and profits with one investment. Number 14. Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni Mini LED Series. Massive screen, QLED 4K, Mini LED backlighting, and voice control build a premium home theater experience. If you're launching a streaming lounge, gaming cafe, or custom install business, this display becomes your anchor piece. Upsell mounting, calibration, soundbar integration, and monthly memberships. The device alone is a driver for bigger projects, not just a screen. Gear up and scale your audiovisual service offering. Number 15. Vitamix Propel Series 510 Blender. Robust blender with 3 pre-programmed settings. Smoothie, soup, frozen. With 48-ounce capacity and commercial build, it's perfect for cafe owners, juice bars, or mobile food trucks. Offer smoothie subscriptions, event catering, or healthy living pop-ups. Consistency and speed matter. You can claim commercial performance without vending big capital. It's a gear upgrade that powers recurring revenue rather than one-off sales. Number 16. Ninja Foodi Smart X L 6-in-1 Indoor Grill. This indoor grill press hybrid delivers 6 cooking modes: air fry, sear, roast, bake, dehydrate, grill, on one platform. Perfect for home chef brands, meal prep services, or demo kitchens. Offer cooking classes, branded meal kits, or subscription boxes. The machine gives you tech-forward hooks and content-friendly visuals. Think watch me crush chicken in 60 seconds. It's gear with storytelling power, boosting both product and service angles. Number 17. eufy C10 Robot Vacuum Self-Emptying. A compact robot vacuum designed for low-maintenance cleaning and longer hands-off runs. The self-emptying base captures debris from the dustbin automatically, while app control lets you schedule, adjust suction, and target rooms. Low profile glides under furniture, and anti-drop sensors help it handle edges confidently. For small business owners renting studios or filming product shots, it keeps floors photo-ready without daily sweeping, freeing time for your actual money-making work. Number 18. Rollo Wireless Shipping Label Printer. Everything people love about Rollo, now with wireless convenience. Connect over Wi-Fi from phones, tablets, or computers to print 4x6 labels without USB tethers. Supports common platforms and shipping services, and still uses inexpensive thermal labels. Ideal for cramped packing stations or mobile setups at pop-ups. You'll move faster between stations, print from multiple devices, and keep parcels flowing, even when your desk is a folding table at a weekend market. Number 19. HTVRONT Auto Tumbler. Heat Press 2. The updated tumbler press focuses on even heat and easier adjustments for different cup diameters, helping prevent cold spots and ghosting. Simple controls and an auto countdown make it beginner-friendly, yet quick enough for small production runs. If your shop offers custom drinkware for events, teams, or corporate gifts, this machine keeps wraps tight and colors vibrant, so you can raise throughput without sacrificing the crisp, edge-to-edge finish your customers expect. Number 20. MUNBYN RealWriter. 941B Bluetooth, Thermal Label Printer. A compact 4x6 thermal printer with Bluetooth and USB, designed for modern shipping stacks. It prints high-definition labels that scan cleanly, supports major marketplaces, and pairs easily with phones or laptops for flexible stations. No ink or toner means predictable costs. Just load thermal labels and go. For solo sellers or growing teams, it's a reliable way to standardize labels, reduce misprints, and keep orders flowing during peak seasons. Number 21. Ortur. LaserMaster 3. A precise diode laser engraver known for fast movement, solid motion control, and clean vector detail on wood, leather, acrylic, and coated metals. Safety features and app connectivity streamline jobs from phones or laptops. If you're launching custom GIFs, signage, or batch logo tags, LM3 balances speed and accuracy at a maker-friendly price. Ideal for moving from hobby prototypes to real paid orders without an industrial footprint. Number 22. Official Creality K1 3D Printer. A high-speed Core XY style platform with up to 600 mm per second printing, automatic leveling, and enclosed design for better results on demanding filaments. Quick heat up and stable motion help you prototype faster, while the touchscreen and guided setup reduce tinkering time. Makers selling custom brackets, props, or replacement parts can turn around revisions same day, turning 3D printing into a dependable revenue tool rather than a weekend experiment. That's the full lineup. 22 small business machines that turn ideas into income. If one sparked a plan, bookmark this video, grab the links below, and start with the tool that matches your skills today. Found this helpful? Please like, share it with a friend who's building a side hustle, and hit subscribe for more gear-driven ways to grow. Questions or niche requests? Drop them in the comments. I'll help you pick.